Hi, I'm Michael Tomlinson. I'm with Botanical Boys and we're here with guests today at the Carousel. Botanical Boys started about 6 years ago, originally as a passion with Darren and Ben, they're the founders. Began inviting people around doing Airbnb experiences, really into kind of connecting people with nature, very environmental, so we used recycled glass for our terrariums. So the guests this evening are going to be making some terrariums. I'll be taking them through how to kind of split up the Photonias, putting it all together, getting your stones in there, and then they'll finish off with a beautiful terrarium at the end.
Hi, it's Tasha and Andrew here, and we're at the guest event, and we're so excited to be here today with guests. I've loved guests for such a long time. I love the brand, trying something different we've never done before. We just did the workshop.
Yeah, just created a little ecosystem, but that's pretty cool.
And we completed a new flat as well, put a new little plants in there.
So these are the new pieces from Guess, and there's some really nice cozy pieces that you could layer with some jackets and boots and just some really comfy pieces as well. I really like anything that's oversized and comfy because I choose comfort over anything. Thank you guys for having me. I had so much fun with the workshop and I'll see you next time.